on.
Okay, everyone, can I have your attention, please?
Yes.
Thank you. It's time for bed. When I call your name, I will let you to come up here and give me a hug and kiss. Mitchell? Goodbye, Mitchell.
Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll
get your phone. And here's your phone.
That's Dad's phone.
No, it's not. It's Mitchell's phone.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can go to bed. Very well.
Oh, hey, Bob.
Mommy?
Can I go next? I want to go next.
Thank you.
Can I go next? Nice.
Bye.
Bye.
Daddy?
Can I go
Who
next?
wants to go next?
Okay. Kyle?
I want a big one.
Okay.
I want a big one. I
Oh,
want a big
very
Thank
good.
you.
one.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. And finally, Daddy.
Auntie.
Right.
It's Auntie.
Hey, that's not how we hug. We don't hug. Hey, is
That's
that?
being a bully.
Hey, is that how we hug? What?
That's
Hey,
being a bully.
hey, is that how we hug like that? Try again.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Dad.
I love you.
I love you too, Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Let's go to bed.